In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a border in Canva with a step-by-step guide that's simple, fast, and perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to give their design a polished touch. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to add professional-looking borders to any Canva project in just a few clicks. Let's dive right in. First, open Canva and either create a new design or open one you're already working on. Once your design is open, head over to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Elements tab. In the search bar at the top, type in Borders. You'll see a Borders option appear in the suggested results. Go ahead and click that. Canva will now show you a wide variety of border styles, from simple lines to decorative frames. Take a moment to browse through and pick the one that best fits your design style. When you find a border you like, just click on it, and it will automatically appear on your canvas. From here, you can resize it by dragging the corner handles or reposition it anywhere on your design. Want to customize it further? Look at the toolbar at the top of the screen. Here you can adjust the border's color, thickness, transparency, and more. This allows you to match the border perfectly with your design theme, whether it's minimal, bold, or decorative. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a border in Canva. Adding borders is one of the easiest ways to highlight your content, frame images, or make text stand out. And with Canva's ready-to-use options, it only takes seconds. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to try it out on your next design project and see how much of a difference a simple border can make. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.